Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Parrikar says he will expose government scams even after being out of the PSC. Vijay Khot to take over as chairman of the PSC. Parrikar believes that Khot will be a strict PSC chairman. 5-day police remand for suspended ANC PSI Sunil Gudlar. First arrest by CBI in police drugs mafia nexus case. More arrests possible. Former Election Commissioner J M Lyngdoh alleges that Adhar cards are initiated to assist corporate sector. Says people have choice to vote but not finalize the candidate. Goa Football Association price I-League tickets at ₹30. Sports Authority of Goa assure organizing committee to maintain Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in top condition. And Goa Super Sixes 2011 kicks off at Banaule. Vinod Kambli waits for childhood buddy Sachin's 100th 100. And now the news in detail. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has said that he can expose more scams of the government even after being out of the PSC. He was dropped as the PSC chairman by Speaker Pratap Singh Rane on Friday. Few hours before getting dropped, Speaker Rane had refused to table Parrikar's PSC report. Parrikar says it is quite surprising that Rane issued the order in a hurry. Parrikar expects Vijay Khot to be very strict as the new PSC chairman.
Opposition on Friday walked out from the session as Speaker Rane refused to table the PSU report. Parrikar had threatened to expose SEZ scam through PSC. Later in the evening, Parrikar was dropped as the PSC chairman. Sources say tenure of PSC and other committee ended on Friday, so memberships of all committees were changed. Parrikar says he does not regret losing the PSC chairmanship. He feels that scams can be exposed by other methods too.
काय प्रॉब्लेम ना PSC तो सध्या हे जावंक म्हणून कोणें सांगलो कितें गजाल भानगड भायर काडपाक तुमकां मुद्दम असो काडला अशें दिसता PSC हांव ताजेर कॉमेंट करचो ना जी अधिकार स्पिकराक आसा तो अधिकार ताका आसा ताणें आपल्या अधिकाराचो वापर केला पण घाईघाईन कित्याक केला तें म्हाका समजना सोमारा काडूंक शकतालो दिसाचें काडूंक शकतालो ऑर्डर रातची ऑर्डर काडपा इतलो भंय कसलो.
Now PSC will be headed by BJP's Kankon MLA Vijay Khot. Vijay is not ready to comment as he is yet to get official intimation of the PSC chairmanship. However, there have been rumors of Vijay Khot joining the Congress party. During assembly session on Wednesday, Vijay Khot had spoken in favor of the Congress party.
लोकांक ते पण एखादो खंयचोय तरी रिटायर्ड जज हायकोर्टाचो किंवा जज आमकां घालचो पडटा तेजेर आनी म्हणून हे पास करून हाडून कारण आमचें गव्हर्नमेंट काँग्रेसीचें हांगा आहा सेंट्रलाक काँग्रेसीची गव्हर्नमेंट आहा आमकां जर जाय जाल्यार आमच्यान तें स्पिडिली हाडपा जाता आनी गोंया भितर आमी इतले फास्ट तें भितर घालें हावसां पास केलें आनी इतले फास्ट आमी लोकायुक्त एपॉयंट केलो हें जर तर जालें जायत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता म्हाका दिसता की हाजें क्रेडीट जें आसा हें आमी ऑपोजिशन बाकाचेर जरी उरल्या जाल्यार फुल्ल क्रेडीट तुमकां दिवपाची आमची तयारी आहा पण जात तितले बेगीन आनी आमचो फुल सपोर्ट जो आसा ह्या कामाक लागून आहा जात तितले बेगीन हें हाडचें आनी हातूंत मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्वता लक्ष घालून हें करचें अशी म्हजी मागणी आहा.
However, Parrikar has vouched for Vijay. Parrikar says Vijay won't join Congress and he will firmly deal with all illegalities as the PSC chairman.
हांव पळयतालो तो काँग्रेसच्या एका कोणाक करता काय म्हणून कारण बाय रूल ऑपोजिशन मेंबर हॅज टू बिकम the president chairman of the PSC आणि विजय खोत हो म्हज्या इतलोच तिखट आहा ह्या बाबतीक काल तुवें विश्वजीत राण्याक दुता आसतना ताका पळयला सो विजय पै खुद कितें कमी समजू नाका. ही इज कॅपेबल ऑफ हॅमरिंग द गव्हर्मेंट विथ द सेम कॅपॅसिटी. सांग
काँग्रेसीन वयता म्हणून
ते तूं पळय, म्हाका खबर ना. म्हज्या हाज्या प्रमाण तरी तशें कांय ना.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Shishant Pal.
CBI has taken 5-day remand for suspended ANC PSI Sunil Gudlar. Gudlar was arrested for violating NDPS Act. He is also charged with Prevention of Corruption Act. This is the first arrest made by the CBI in the police drug mafia nexus case. Sources say more arrests are possible.
CBI arrested PSI Sunil Gudlar on Friday night. Gudlar was suspended by Goa police after Prudent media's expose in drugs nexus case. Gudlar was caught on camera dealing with Israeli drug peddler Dudu's sister and girlfriend. He was booked for violation under NDPS Act and Prevention of Corruption Act by CBI in January. Gudlar had earlier arrested drug peddler Dudu after a tip-off. Crime branch was investigating the case. DYSP Shamba Sawant had interrogated Gudlar. Gudlar had also agreed in the sting tape that he provides haftas to then SP of ANC, Venu Bansal. Crime branch later submitted the inquiry report to the headquarters. When the case was handed over to the CBI, the investigating agency conducted thorough investigation in the case. CBI sources say that they have found more concrete evidence against Gudlar. There is a possibility of more arrest in the case.
The purpose for what we have sought is police custody, just to interrogate him, because he is the person only who has the exclusive knowledge, and he is the person who can reveal all the details of the events which have transpired during that point of time when the offences were committed. And court has given us police custody is remand up till 13th. 5 days. Preliminary interrogation we have made with him, but I can't disclose all these details on.
CBI had earlier conveyed to the court that they wanted former ANC PSI Sunil Gudlar's custody as he had named his seniors in the drug mafia case. Gudlar had given a statement that he collected hafta on the instruction of his seniors. CBI wants to investigate this aspect of the case. CBI will also investigate the sting footage of Sunil Gudlar dealing with foreigners. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Former Election Commissioner J M Lyngdoh has alleged that Aadhaar cards are initiated to help the corporate sector. Lyngdoh has further said that people have a choice to vote but has no choice to finalize their candidates. Lyngdoh was addressing media in the International Centre.
Former Election Commissioner J M Lyngdoh is in Goa. He interacted with media on improvising election system. Lyngdoh expressed that people have a right to choose their representative but has no say on choosing the candidates.
All of us are enrolled as voters. We are some kind of cannon fodder for the system. We are the Janta Log, we are the grass, without which, I mean, democracy doesn't look very nice. But we have no control over who's going to be a candidate. Because candidature in most political parties in this country is decided by a small caucus. So, unless there's competition, there's free competition in both voting as well as being a candidate. If there's competition, then you have a proper democracy. But then I also have to admit that by that definition, you don't have a single democracy anywhere in the world.
He alleged that Aadhaar cards will help private sectors in identifying the customers and their requirements. Lyngdoh claimed that government is providing all this information to the private sector by initiating Aadhaar cards. Those who do not have Aadhaar card will have to face a lot of hurdles in getting their work done in government departments. Lyngdoh says government will literally harass those who do not have Aadhaar card.
आधार कार्ड वो दूसरी चीज़ है, वो बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ है. आधार कार्ड है वो आपको सताने के लिए और ये जितने कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर है ना, ये कंपनीज, प्राइवेट कंपनीज को चाहिए डिटेल्स लोगों का. अब उनको नॉर्मली उनको खर्चा करना चाहिए अपने पॉकेट से. अभी सरकार जो है वो उनको मुफ्त में दे रहे हैं. बट आई टेल यू वन थिंग, the government is forcing people to register, and they would like to come to a situation where you will find it difficult to even file your income tax return unless you have an Adhar number. They will force you to that position.
A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.